In this Electude tutorial, you will learn how to assign courses to student groups using the click, drag, and drop feature. Step 1. Click on the Student tab from the top menu bar. Then select the student group you wish to assign content from the left-hand menu. Once the group is selected, you'll see the group name listed in the top menu bar under the student's heading. Step 2. Click the Courses tab from the top menu bar. Then select the product group name in the left-hand submenu. From the center of the page, click to open the course you wish to assign content from. Step 3. Locate the subcourse you wish to assign from the course list. Place the cursor over the subcourse name, then left-click and hold down, followed by dragging and dropping the selected course over the top of the Student tab. This action assigns the course to the previously selected student group. To check your work, click on the Student tab. You will find the assigned course listed under the Group Content area. Students can now access this content. To assign additional coursework, return to the Courses tab and repeat using the click and drag method. Please go to electude.com for more training tutorials.